That's on the calendar.
Let's just set in on a future date.
Oh.
Leon's. Hmm?
Oh, stuff right there from, yeah, there, thank you.
Mr. Leon's, your full name is Rex Leon's?
Thanks.
How are you doing?
Good.
That's good. Mr. Leon's, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Dayton Reynolds. Attorney Reynolds, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge, thank you.
And Mr. Reynolds, what's your announcement in Mr. Leon's case?
Judge, I'm trying to apply to get him in the pretrial.
Withdraw diversion?
He may not be automatically accepted, and there's some more information I'd like to get upstairs for them to consider him, and I'd ask for a reset.
So the next one in February, probably won't get in on that one. We probably got it more. April. Let's reset it to second week in April.
We would know about it.
April 6th.
Okay, this case will be reset to April 6th, 2026. Mr. Leon's, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Reynolds, you can get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go as well.
Thank you, Judge.
Y'all have a blessed day.
You too.
Anybody working on anything?
They just sent Eddie Thomas.
Okay. Arthur DeWitt Gladney. Oh, okay, we'll call you back. Nadia Lopez. Morgan, no, she's not. I didn't see March. Okay, go to be in recess. Jefferson County Court, Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. And cause number 236CCR 1018, case of style of state of Texas versus Eddie Dan Thomas III. Mr. Thomas, you can come forward and stand before the bench. Mr. Thomas, your full name is Eddie Dan Thomas III. Mr. Thomas, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Thomas, do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? Mr. Thomas, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Thomas? Doing all right? That's good. Mr. Thomas, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Wright Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Fine.
Mr. Kimler, do you waive a record in Mr. Thomas's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
And again, Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, Mr. Thomas, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information Sheet. This information sheet was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information sheet, it alleges that you, Eddie Dan Thomas III, on or about January 22nd of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury. Mr. Thomas, do you understand what you've been charged with? And to this charge, Mr. Thomas, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Mr. Thomas, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initial, well, there's your signature on the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature? On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature? On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification, the defendant's right of appeal. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box is checked, states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Mr. Thomas, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney, Mr. Kimler, go over these documents with you? Did you understand everything that Mr. Kimler went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your name, to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Thomas, are you a citizen of the United States? State, like off of State's Exhibit number 1.
So tended, Your Honor.
No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Kimberly, you have advised that counsel, Mr. Thomas, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Thomas, I will accept, well, Mr. Thomas, are you satisfied with the services of your attorney? Okay, Mr. Thomas, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Mr. Thomas, do you, state, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The essential term is as follows: to be 115 days in jail, judge, time served, time actually served, and all court costs should be taxed and retired. Is that correct, Mr. Kimler? That's correct.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, the state is offering that you serve 115 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you would not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail on this case because you've already served 115 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. The court costs in this case, you would not have to pay it because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Thomas, do you understand the state's offer? And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? And do you accept the state's offer? Okay, now, Mr. Thomas, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Thomas, if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today.
He's here on a bench warrant for TDC.
Yes, okay. Now, Mr. Thomas, you're gonna stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you can follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day. Okay, please stand over there. And Mr. Kimmler, this is your only case. You're
Yes.
free to go and you have a blessed day.
Your Honor, just advise the court, I'm gonna be in trial Monday over in Warren County Court 2 with Rodney Townsend. I've got, I think, 3 cases that are going to get here for trial, and I need to go ahead and file motions for continuance on those.
I mean, you can, but what we need to do, I mean,
No objection.
we'll,
Mr. Bar-
yeah, but we'll see what happens. I mean, you set for trial.
Well, it's the only case.
Oh, okay, but
Yeah, I understand.
yeah, your cases are said, sometimes they don't go for various different reasons.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
Okay.
where it'll be County Court 2,
right.
Rodney Judge
Yeah,
Townsend.
I know Judge Thompson. Okay. And you have a blessed day.
Yeah, thank you.
Did, she, I thought she had some paperwork.
I know she had 2.
I'm gonna leave this on.
Thanks, Ron.
Arthur Gladney. Right there. Now, Mr. Gladney, your full name is Arthur DeWitt Gladney?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gladney, would you please raise your right hand? Swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Gladney?
Right.
That's good. Now, Mr. Gladney, I have before me two documents. Um, okay. Now, Mr. Gladney, the first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Or these your initials on the line that state you'd like to apply for court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
Have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gladney, before you sign and initial these documents that I just showed you, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read? Is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes,
to the best of your knowledge?
yes, sir.
Mr. Gladney, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. An attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Mark Faggart. Attorney Faggart will be given information to contact you,
Right.
and you will be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. And once you get that information, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall and wait for your name to be called.
Yes, sir.
Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2414, case is style State of Texas versus Morgan Yvette Weatherly. Ms. Weatherly, would you please come forward? Okay, Morgan Elizabeth Weatherly. Okay. Ms. Weatherly, your full name is Morgan Elizabeth Weatherly. Ms. Weatherly, would you please raise your right hand? Swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Ms. Weatherly, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Weatherly? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Ms. Weatherly. I have before me two documents. First document is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature? And the next document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Are these your initials on the line that states you'd like to apply for court-appointed attorney? Ms. Weatherly, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Weatherly, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney, and the attorney that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney David Grove. Attorney Grove will be given information to contact you, and you will also be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you will be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Next case is Style of State of Texas versus Nadia Lopez. They are cause number 25 CCCR 23339 and cause number 25 CCCR 2338. Ms. Lopez, would you please come forward? Ms. Lopez, your full name is Nydia
Nydia.
Lopez? Okay, Ms. Lopez, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you out?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Lopez? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Ms. Lopez, I have two documents before me. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
This. Now. There's a set of initials on the line that's titled, that states rather, you would like to apply for court appointed attorney, is that correct? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Next document is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indians. Do you recognize this document? And on page 2 of this document, there's a signature on the line that's titled defendant signature. Is that your signature? Ms. Lopez, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents? And did you understand what you read? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Now, Ms. Lopez, let's see, before I go any further, I need to go over your affidavit of Indians. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on mute. Maybe it's Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 0762, case of style of state of Texas versus Jaquan Broussard. And Mr. Broussard, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Broussard? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Broussard, you're representing your case by your attorney, Giles Cole. And Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Great, Judge.
That's good. And again, the state is representing this case by attorney Shane Hilton. Again, Mr. Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, Mr. Cole, what is your announcement in Mr. Broussard's case? You gonna reset it for trial? Okay, give us a trial date.
February 16th.
February 16th. Okay, this case is set February 16th, 2026. Mr. Broussard, you're gonna get your case reset. Once you get your case reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. All right.
February 16th, Judge.
Yes, you need it.
Is
Oh,
that good or you need?
hold on.
Right now it's good. I'm not getting no service in there. But I feel like it is.
Just call me and let me know if it's not good, or text me.
Okay, you're gonna get your reset from your court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And this will conclude, no, we still have Killen Fall.
He checked me and Dylan.
Okay, we'll be at recess.